It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz GL. This is everything you need an SUV to be and every reason why you buy a Mercedes-Benz. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Twin-turbo V6 engine, height-adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, front heated bucket seats, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection finds the Mercedes-Benz GL of all the full-size luxury SUVs has some of the best road manners, high style, high performance. Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,